A major change is seen in the union today. Kiren Rijiju on Thursday exited as Law Minister and will now take up the portfolio of Ministry of Earth Sciences. President of India ने एक notification release किया है through a press release. The press release uploaded on central government's website said the following: The President of India, as advised by the Prime Minister, has been pleased to direct the following reallocation of portfolios among ministers in the Union Council of Ministers. First, the portfolio of Ministry of Earth Sciences be assigned to Shri Kiren Rijiju. Second, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State, be assigned the independent charge as Minister of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice in addition to his existing portfolios in place of Shri Kiren Rijiju. तो इसका मतलब है कि लॉ मिनिस्ट्री अब श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल संभालेंगे। लेकिन आपको क्या लगता है ये चेंजेस कैबिनेट में क्यों किए गए? आपको याद ही होगा हमने अपने पिछले काफी वीडियोस में बताया है कि कैसे किरण रिजिजू ने एज अ लॉ मिनिस्टर टाइम टू टाइम जुडिशरी और लॉ पे कमेंट्स या फिर अपने रिमार्क्स पास किए हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो हमेशा हेडलाइंस में भी रहे हैं रिगार्डिंग द इक्वेशंस बिटवीन द गवर्नमेंट एंड द जुडिशरी. Many had expected that Rijiju's tenure at the law ministry would be short-lived, but exact time of his departure could not be speculated upon. Rijiju कभी practicing advocate नहीं रहे हैं, इसलिए उनकी कोई prior rapport भी नहीं है with the senior judges of the Supreme Court. Even judiciary को लगता था that he is a 51-year-old minister but lacks maturity and knowledge about binding legal precedents. ऐसे ही एक मोमेंट में अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया आर वेंकट रमानी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट से माफी भी मांगनी पड़ी थी जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनसे क्वेश्चन किया about Rijiju's inappropriate statements to the media about the limits of the court's power. Rijiju's recent comment about certain former judges belonging to the anti-India gang drew widespread condemnation including from the former judges, civil servants and senior advocates. लेकिन उनका ऐसे लॉ मिनिस्ट्री से एग्जिट करना इसलिए भी सरप्राइजिंग है क्योंकि ये तब हुआ when his political stock within the BJP was noticeably rising. At the recent meeting of the BJP's national executive, he moved the political resolution, a responsibility usually entrusted to powerful cabinet ministers or party leaders. लोकसभा में वेस्ट अरुणाचल प्रदेश को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए he was adjudged the best parliamentarian with a 90% attendance during the era of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He had briefly moved to the Congress after 2004, only to return to the BJP and win the 2014 general elections. Like many knows, he has a law degree from the Campus Law Center, Delhi University. वहीं newly appointed Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, who was awarded Best Parliamentarian in 2013. He is from Rajasthan and possesses qualifications including MA in Political Science, LLB and MBA. वो राजस्थान कैडर में IAS ऑफिसर भी रह चुके हैं. So let's see what new changes he brings in the law of the country. That is all for this video. Keep following Law Chakra for more news and updates.